Guys, country hunting and fishing, smoking that sausage, deer and pork. Here we go. Getting ready to smoke this sausage in here, getting it hung up. It's about 70 pounds right there. Got about 140 or 50 pounds to go. Alright, we finally got the sausage hung in the smokehouse. Some of it's still a little bit froze, but it'll straighten out here pretty shortly. Tell the difference between the pork and the deer. Everything from right here over's deer. That's Chad's and Michael's deer. Got about 200 pounds of sausage in here. We're fixing to fire up. Gonna be some good stuff. Got the smoke rolling. We got some hickory on there. We'll get it started with hickory. Once we get our hickory going, we're gonna put some apple in there too, and use apple and hickory to smoke this sausage with. That's the best combination I've found. We'll get this fire going good, shut the door up on it for a little bit, let it smoke for a little while, come back and check on it. We'll do that 2 or 3 times, build that fire up like that 2 or 3 times tonight before we go to bed. Let her rip. This wash tub's about half full of sand, and I've got that up off the floor of the off that wood so it won't catch that wood on fire. If you just put a pan in here like that and build a fire in here, you'd catch your wood on fire and burn your smokehouse down. But we got her going. This is our fresh apple wood that I've got cut. We'll put some of it on there. You know, for years I smoked with hickory, and some of the old timers, my dad and some of them used to say you need to put some sassafras in there to kind of take some of that bitterness away from that hickory. And I just found, man, this apple, I'm telling y'all, you get you some apple or maybe some other kinds of fruit trees, maybe some pecan, and add with this hickory. And I probably put about 30-40% apple to the hickory. And I'm telling y'all, it just turns out so good. It's such a different flavor than just straight hickory, and so much better to me. Alright guys, it's got about an hour smoke on the sausage in the smokehouse. So we're going to open it up, take a look at it. It's kind of foggy out here tonight. It's hazy. So y'all got to excuse the haze and the light. We're going to have a lot of smoke coming out of the smokehouse when we first open it up. But y'all watch this. So we'll kind of check the sausage, check the fire, add some wood to the fire, check everything out. It's looking good. Starting to get some of this deer sausage starting to dry up a little bit up here. Getting a little smoke on it. Looks pretty good right now. Got all the pork sausage down here on this end. Fire's still got plenty of coals in it. I'm gonna try to build it back up another time or two tonight. Just gonna stack some of the split hickory. I got split today on there. Keep it on them coals. Alright, this is going to be the second time we open the door on the sausage. Build another fire. This will be the third fire. So, let me show y'all what it looks like real quick. I'm going to let that smoke clear just a second. But, oh yeah, it's starting to look good. Starting to dry off a little bit. Look back there. Good looking sausage. Pork sausage back here. Smoking real nice. What I like to do is kind of move it around as it's smoking a little bit. Probably smoke one more time, then we'll take these pieces and just kind of move them, shift them around a little bit where they get smoke all the way around them on all the sides. Yeah, it's looking good. Move this around a little bit. Alright, it's like Christmas morning. The next morning, get to open the smokehouse, see what the sausage looks like. We built 3 fires on it last night, so we're going to check it out. Look at there. That's what I'm talking about. Whole lot of goodness in this building. Old smokehouse is just a stud wall frame, 4x8, built out of plywood and just regular stud walls. Works perfect. Well, we got it all out of the smokehouse. This is our regular sausage right here. This is our pepper jack sausage. Kind of keeping it separate so I can package it separate. I'll show y'all real quick how we cut it up. And I just got a cutting board that I made here, and I got a mark for my length on my sausage, and I always go off of that mark. Cut it up like that. We'll put 4 of them like that in a vacuum seal bag, but look at there. It's about as pretty as it gets. Cuts up nice. It's gonna cook up good. That's gonna be it for this one. God's Country Hunting and Fishing, keeping it real.